Hey everyone, welcome to the part 20 of creating reports in Power BI. So in this demonstration, we are going to have a look at one of the AI visuals, which is the smart narratives. Smart narrative is a feature in Power BI that uses AI-driven natural language generation to explain the key insights, trends, and summaries directly in your report. Okay, and it generates them in plain English, so it provides us with an automated textual explanation about a particular page in our report. And a beautiful thing about this particular narration is that it updates dynamically as the user is interacting with filters and slicers of the visual. So let us go ahead and create a smart narrative for our this page. So the smart narrative is available over here. You can see this is the smart narrative uh, you know icon. So just click on it, and as you click on it, you are going to see that it gives you an option whether you want to have it with Copilot or custom. So I will click on custom, and it will generate a custom smart narrative for me. Okay, although on my report I don't have a space to keep this, but in your report, if at all it is required that you want to keep explanation of the insights and trends, so you can of course keep this one. Okay, you can also update its format and everything to make it look more proper and up to your theme. So you can see over here that it is showing me English description of whatever is going on in various graphs. Okay, also you can notice that if I select a particular, I do a cross filtering, suppose I select the bike names only, so you can see the smart narrative is getting updated according to the bike sales. Okay, so it's an excellent way to put up the explanation about your report in a textual format, and do use it if you want to give a high level explanation to your stakeholders. So yeah, so this is about the smart narratives.